Just wanted to show you a little demo of my new project called Project Inidium. It's for packing, signing, and uploading jar files. When you set things up, you can effectively set your own class path. You're able to change which JRE you use. You can modify the JNLP uploads. You can put in RMI stubs, and you can identify a server. Here I have a web server being set and a key store also being managed. With the web server, we put in a fully qualified path name and assume you have FTP access to the web server. This is on an internal IP address, so it's relatively secure, assuming you're behind a firewall. As far as your key store is concerned, it'll set up your key store and give you access to that, so it can sign your jar files during the upload. That assumes you have a proper certificate that's been loaded into the key store. But in fact, if all you want to do is make an optimal jar file and pack it, all you need to do is click on Pack Jar, and that'll go through a process where it scans using a bytecode analyzer, a static dependency analysis, and then proceeds to pack a single jar file. And then it makes a manifest so that the jar file can be run with java-jar for deployment. And then when you run the program, if there are jar files that are missing, it'll show those jar files directly. And you can modify the program so it includes various other jar files, but this is the configuration problem that people will run into if they don't have all the jar files that they need. Doing a jar file analysis is sort of important. You need to know which jar files are required in order to be able to get your program to work at runtime. But in other ways, the program is minimal. If you wanted to include all the jar files, you would end up with a ginormous program that would be much harder to deploy. Thank you.